In this video, we're diving into the debate, Hugging Face versus AllenNLP, which AI platform is better for NLP research. Both platforms have gained significant traction, but when it comes to powerful NLP solutions, how do they really compare? Stick around till the end to find out which one I would recommend, and you might be surprised by what I found after testing both. Let's start with Hugging Face. Hugging Face has arguably become the go-to tool for the NLP community. It offers a vast range of pre-trained models that are incredibly easy to use. You can find models for everything from text classification to question answering, all accessible through their library called Transformers. The community behind it is massive, and they're constantly releasing new models, keeping up with the latest in NLP trends. This makes it a fantastic option for those who want flexibility and innovation without needing to build everything from scratch. Next thing, let's talk about AllenNLP. AllenNLP, developed by the Allen Institute for AI, is another strong contender. One thing that sets AllenNLP apart is its focus on research. While Hugging Face may be more of a general-purpose tool, AllenNLP is deeply rooted in academic and cutting-edge NLP research. It allows users to experiment with models and easily tweak the architecture for research purposes. If you're someone working on deep, highly customized models, AllenNLP offers a more research-oriented, flexible framework than Hugging Face, but it may come at the cost of ease of use. Now, onto the ease of use. Hugging Face takes the lead in this category. Setting up a model and using it in a project can be done with just a few lines of code. The documentation is clear, and the Model Hub makes it easy to integrate into various applications. AllenNLP, on the other hand, can feel a bit more cumbersome for someone new to NLP. While it's powerful, the learning curve is steeper, especially if you're not familiar with the academic aspects of NLP. The fourth thing we should mention is the ecosystem and community support. Hugging Face has an enormous and highly active community. You can find resources, tutorials, and discussions on just about any problem you might run into. Plus, they've built a robust infrastructure around the models, including things like spaces, where you can easily showcase your work. AllenNLP's community, while solid, is much smaller in comparison. There's still excellent academic and professional support, but you may not get the same level of community-driven contributions and tutorials. Let's quickly touch on scalability. Hugging Face is built to scale, especially when it comes to deployment. You can easily integrate their models into production systems with minimal setup. Their collaboration with AWS also makes it scalable in the cloud. AllenNLP, on the other hand, requires more customization for deployment at scale. It's flexible, but that means it might take a little more work to get it running smoothly for large-scale projects. Finally, if you're a beginner in NLP, Hugging Face may be a more approachable platform. It's perfect for those who want to get hands-on without a lot of technical overhead. For research-driven individuals or teams who need to build more sophisticated models with fine-tuned control, AllenNLP is an excellent choice. But here's the thing. After trying both Hugging Face and AllenNLP, I found that while both platforms are great in their own right, there's a better alternative out there if you want the best of both worlds: cutting-edge research capabilities, scalability, and a user-friendly interface. If you're serious about NLP research and want a platform that doesn't require sacrificing ease of use or flexibility, I highly recommend giving the tool in the first link in the description a try. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. The software mentioned in this video is solid, but if you're looking for something that offers more overall value, don't miss out on this chance.